Hello everyone. Today I am going to share the importance of language. Why language is really very necessary in our life. So at the beginning of my speech, I would like to share something which is really necessary to knowing the importance of language. If you have a wish to become the greatest communicator, definitely you have to learn new types of languages. And also language, it can help you to make a spotless personality. And as well as language is the only option, it can develop the function of our brain. Okay, and also we all know nowadays communication skills are very important, which cannot be developed without knowing language properly. So now I think I have made myself the importance of language, why we have to learn language. Now let me share you the importance of language point by point. According to me, I think we have to learn almost 3 languages in our life. Number 1 is mother tongue, number 2 is one national language, and number 3 is one international language. Now let me discuss about this. Number 1, mother tongue. So mother tongue is really very easy. We all know our mother tongue. We all can communicate people through using our mother tongue. So here only just one thing I would like to say, that is during speaking we have to be careful about our tune, because sometimes our tune can play the very important role to understand people properly. So we have to be very careful about our tune. We have to learn how to use tune during speaking to people. That is important. And number 2 is one national language, and definitely I would like to emphasize on Hindi language, because if we visit out of Kolkata like Delhi, Hyderabad, Mumbai, so I personally notice people are actually comfortable in Hindi language. So if we know Hindi properly, if we can speak in Hindi, then we can easily make a good communication with them. We can easily make them understand what we want to say, and also they will be able to make us understand what they exactly want to say. Okay, so now you all have understood why Hindi is necessary, and we all know Hindi is a very popular national language in our country. Okay, and number 3 is one international language we have to learn, and definitely I would like to emphasize on English language, because we all know English is how much important in our life. It's a global language and it's an international language. So if you have an excellent efficiency of English language, you can easily communicate to everyone all over the world, and you know people will be really amazed to talk to you. Okay, and also English language can help to boost up our intelligence, our confidence and personality. So now you all have understood why I am emphasizing on English language. And except this type of languages, I also want to say one more point, that is, if you have a desire to become a good speaker, you have to learn language definitely, because during speaking we need to use so many new words. So if we want to use new words, we have to learn language, and because without knowing language properly, we cannot express ourselves and we cannot grab the attention of audience. Okay, so now you all have understood why language is necessary in our life. And at the end of my speech, I would like to remind you all once again, that is, please try to understand the importance of language. Okay, I personally believe language is very important in our life, and yes, I think it's a really very important part in our life, and I'm still learning language. I'm still learning English language, and I am also know the importance of English language also. So please try to learn languages. If you have no idea about English language, Hindi language, please try to learn it. because it is really very important in our life.